Hey there, plinkers, hunters, just plain old air gunners. How you doing today? So I had a thought in my head about, what if I went up to the desert, to mountain, go hunting, plinking, whatever I'm doing, but what all do I need to take? So basically, let me show you first where I'm at. Basic cleaning kit for your barrel, rangefinder, binoculars, of course, air tank, my magazines, air tank adapter, and just camo tape in case, my suppressors, my box of ammo, the Brocock, and I wanted something where I can keep my boots, change of pants, and my shirts, little bandana, all in one spot. But looking around for the air tanks, they have like a little sports looking bag box, and you put it in, and if you put it in the back of your truck or something, if it goes back and forth, my concern would be the head. Would it be, the regulators, would it be hit? They secure enough? What if your buddy throws over his case of beer or something, lands right on that box on this side? Your gun, your gun's in maybe one of these two. Obvious, the hard case, but all this obviously won't fit in that one hard case. And we got a soft case, and obvious, all this won't fit in a soft case. So I came up with this idea. How about making it all in one box? Let me show you what I came up with.